Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin right now by choosing the cat that needs food most. You want immediate effect. Once selected, move toward the nearest food icon because proximity matters for input responsiveness. Tap the Eat control and hold if the game supports long press. This yields steady consumption and faster meter gain. Make sure to watch the hunger meter while eating, since stopping too early wastes time. Also glance at stamina, because low stamina reduces eating speed, and you'll need to rest before continuing. Once you have started, manage the mechanics. Alternate quick taps for snacks and sustained holds for high-value items, because different foods trigger different gains. You should also move between food spawns to trigger bonuses. Combining movement and eating keeps combo multipliers alive and increases overall yield. Make sure to watch stamina. If stamina drops, switch to low-cost foods or rest briefly. And remember why optimizing actions raises your score, unlocks items, and prevents waste of rare foods. To finish, eat until the hunger meter hits full or you reach the target score, then claim your rewards and immediately store any leftover food to avoid spoilage. Make sure to spend earned resources on mouth or stomach upgrades, because those permanently improve eating speed and capacity. If the game freezes or your cat won't eat, reload the level first. If that fails, clear cache or check control bindings. This usually resolves input or animation bugs, so you can continue eating smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.